We just told you the top headlines. Joining me on the broadcast are my colleagues who will get us the inside scoop of what has been happening. Let's get you the details of all are joining us. My colleague Navya joining us and Imran for details on what's happening in Bengaluru. Neha Ebali also joining us. Arpita getting us the updates from Kerala. Shomit joining us for updates from Telangana. Dharani from Tamil Nadu. And Nyamika also getting us the scoop on what's really happening in that meeting between Rahul Gandhi and the High Command. What really happened? Let's begin with that top story. There have been weeks of speculation and a lot of visible unease as well within the Congress with the senior party leader Shashi Tharoor very clearly not happy. And finally, there was a meeting that took place. These were the pictures that were released of this meeting as well. The top leadership meeting Shashi Tharoor. We are told that this meeting lasted for about 2 hours, after which Shashi Tharoor seemed to be indicating that all is well. Listen in to what he said.
He was also there in the Rahulji's meeting in Kochi also. He will be in the front row of the campaign initiated by the UDF in Kerala for the elections. You know that he is a world citizen, he is a non-writer, he is having a space among the people. So he will be in the forefront for fighting this election. He is also part of the Congress party in Kerala. He will be more active in Kerala because of the election. The next 2 months he will be here. And almost we are trying to take him to all the 140 constituencies in Kerala.
Did you discuss that you were upset and they were also upset? Did you?
With the meeting, what was discussed? Very satisfied. Very satisfied. You're very satisfied now. So you are not happy because after the Kochi incident.
So Shashi Tharoor will even lead the campaigns. Nyamika, what's the real story? What went on in this 2-hour meeting that seemed to have suddenly made all fine within the Kerala Congress?
Well, Pratibha, it seems like all is well between the party high command and Shashi Tharoor after this meeting had taken place in the parliament yesterday. As we have seen that how there were several instances which have taken place where Shashi Tharoor was being absent from the key party meetings. He had taken a completely different stand from the party line. But he also wanted to meet the party high command to express his own grievances, and he was seeking time from the party high command. Now, yesterday this high-level meeting had taken place within the parliament where there was a conversation which had taken place between Shashi Tharoor and Rahul Gandhi in particular. It is being told by the sources that majority of the time it was Rahul Gandhi who was having a conversation with Shashi Tharoor, in which Shashi Tharoor has mentioned about all those instances where he felt sidelined, which also included the time when Rahul Gandhi was being present there in for the Maha Panchayat in Kochi. As if you remember, Rahul Gandhi had skipped taking the name of Shashi Tharoor in that particular event, and Shashi Tharoor had left from that venue in between before the conclusion of the Maha Panchayat. That has basically given a clear indication that Shashi Tharoor is quite upset over the fact that the way in which the party is functioning in the state of Kerala. But now it is being told by the sources within the Congress party that Rahul Gandhi has given an assurance to Shashi Tharoor that he will be taken into loop whenever there is anything which is related to the state of Kerala, any key decision which will be taken by the party leadership, which will be related to the state of Kerala.
Shashi Tharoor, where Rahul Gandhi failed to even acknowledge Shashi Tharoor, it looks like all is forgotten, isn't it, Nyamika, at least for the moment. Thank you for joining us with all those details of what happened in the meeting. With that, we also shift our attention to Tamil Nadu.